Hi sewing friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In this video I will be drafting the pockets for my palazzo pants, which I already have on my channel, and I'll leave the link below, so make sure to check it out. So if you're interested in learning how to make your own pockets for your pants, then continue watching. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Patricia, and on this channel we love fashion, and most importantly, we love to make them unique for our bodies. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos anytime I upload a video. Also, make sure to hit the like button so YouTube knows you like my content to keep seeing them. With that said, let's get to the video. First, we need to create the pocket opening. I measured 6.5 inches from the waistline, not including the waist seam allowance. Next, I measured 12 inches for the total pocket length. Then I roughly draw in the shape of my pocket from the first dart. I also make sure to include my notches at the point where my first measurement ends, which is the 6.5 inches I marked earlier. Next, on the waistline, I come in 1 3/4 inches and mark as well. With my ruler, I connect that mark with a line to the notch point. Next, I also measured another 1 3/4 inches from the new mark on the waistline, and this time I draw a line to touch the pants pattern like so. And I move the end of that straight line up in order to draw a slight curved line like so. I go ahead to label the pattern. Next, I use a tracing paper to trace out the pattern. I trace out the pattern twice with grain lines and notches all included. Finally, on the first pocket piece I traced out, I came in 3 inches and drew a line down to meet the side of the pattern. The little part of this pattern will be cut on the main fabric, and the bigger portion will be the lining part. I went ahead to cut the pocket pieces on my fabric and lining, and I also show you how to sew them together in my how to sew pants video, so make sure to check it out if you haven't already done so. I also go ahead to make adjustment to the side of the front pattern for attaching the pocket. To make the adjustment, I am folding on the first line I drew, which is the seam line for the pocket facing. You can choose to add seam allowance and cut yours if that is your preference. I chose to fold on the line to maintain the originality of my pattern. With that said, we have come to the end of this brief video. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me. If this video has helped you in any way, kindly give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a video. And finally, make sure to check me out on Instagram, as they say, that is where the fun is. Till next time, have a beautiful rest of your day wherever you are. Bye.